We'll guide you through how to add mobile frame in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow this tutorial smoothly without interruptions. Then double-click the application to open it on your computer and wait until the main interface fully loads on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project workspace where you will begin editing your content. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project setup. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm the settings before continuing. Next, click Import, then select a phone frame image with a solid background and a video file as an example from your device storage. Then click Open to import them into the media library, so both files are ready to use. Drag and drop both files to the timeline. Then choose Keep Project Settings to match your timeline configuration. In the timeline, adjust the duration so the video and the phone frame have the same length for a consistent display. After that, click Video 2, then go to the right panel to access the video settings menu. Select Mask, then click Import to add a custom mask file. Make sure to choose a mask with a transparent background. Then click Open and click OK to apply it. Select the mask, then adjust its size to 200 for both width and height so it fits correctly. Then hide Video 2 and select Video 1 to continue editing the main clip. Go to the right panel and choose AI matting to isolate the subject from the background. Use Chroma key to remove the background from the phone frame image. Then unhide Video 2 so it appears again on the timeline. Next, click the Stock Media menu. Then choose a sky blue background that matches your design preference. Add it to the timeline to use as the new background layer behind your video. Select the phone frame again, then adjust its size and position until it looks aligned with the video. If everything looks good, click the full screen icon to preview your project clearly. Review the result to confirm that adding a mobile frame in Filmora is successful.